Alright, so the guy I bought the Ranger from, he had it on these like super ugly chrome wheels, but then he also gave us these wheels right here, these little tires. So I'm about to prep these up and we're going to paint them and get them in the truck. Alright, so the first wheel's all prepped. I'm going to go ahead lay a coat on this, and then while that's drying, go ahead and prep the next ones. Alright, so 2 of the wheels are done, and now time to prep off those 2 and go ahead and lay a paint on those. And this is what they look like before I painted them. So. Alright guys, so the front wheels are all painted, and we got them all on now. There you go, just the stock wheels with a nice coat of spray paint. Alright guys, so I'm about to Plasti-Dip the Ford logo here, and then I'm going to just lay black paint over the top of the bumper here, not the chrome part, just the bumper. Alright, so I got 2 coats down of the Plasti-Dip on the logo, and I just masked off the whole bumper because now I'm going to put that black paint right here. Alright, so that's the first coat. That's actually about like 1.5 coats, so I'm gonna let that dry and go do one last coat and we'll be good. And this is on 2 coats of Plasti-Dip, and I'm gonna do a 3rd one. Alright, so I've done all 4 wheels and the whole bumper off of just 1 can of paint, so I ain't even mad. And here's the Plasti-Dip. I'm about to pull that off soon. But yeah, there we go. Alright, so I got the final coat on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling it off now. Well, there you go. That's it. I'm gonna have to redo the Plasti-Dip because it came up a little bit on the top edge there. But besides that, it's good. There we go. So for 2 hours and $5, pretty good.